planets soon. I know.
Where are we?
Welcome on board my spaceship. Are you ready to learn about the solar system? First planet, Mercury.
Why is it so hot?
It's very hot because Mercury is the closest planet to the sun. Let's get out of here.
Now it's cold?
We're on the dark side of Mercury. There's no sun here, so it gets icy cold. Let's go to the next planet. Up next, Venus.
Wow! Whoa, so bright!
Venus is the second brightest planet in the night sky, after the moon. Departing Venus. Wow!
That's pretty!
That's our planet, Earth. Earth is the only planet where humans live. It has a magnetic field that protects us from the sun's radiation. Reaching planet Earth.
We can't go home yet. We didn't learn about all the planets. We need to pass our test.
Copy that. Leaving Earth.
Oh no! Are those volcanoes?
I'm scared of volcanoes.
Oh
Mars has many volcanoes. Its biggest volcano is 100 times bigger than any volcano on Earth. But don't worry, they're not active.
What is that?
That's the Great Red Spot on Jupiter. It's the biggest storm in the solar system. Buckle up, kids. We're getting out of here. Arriving at Saturn now.
So cool! What is that?
That's Saturn. Its rings are unique because they are made of sparkly, reflective water.
Is it broken?
Yeah, it's weird.
It's not broken, but maybe knocked over at one time. Uranus is unique that it spins on its side.
What's happening?
That's Neptune. It's cold and windy. It has supersonic winds that are faster than the speed of sound. We're gonna take advantage of this tailwind and get home in time for your test. Ready?
Yeah, let's go!